Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is December 7th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. Right now, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 2 points. You can see that the futures are currently at $26.93 per contract. They were a little higher a few minutes ago, now pulling back in. We just had the non-farm payroll report out at 8:30 in the morning, and payroll report came in a little bit weaker than most expected. It got, I believe, 155,000 non-farm payrolls. I think the market was looking for about 190 or 185,000. So, again, definitely on the weaker side. Also, the highly anticipated hourly earnings rate was up 0.2% versus 0.3%. So, all in all, markets seem to like that weaker number. And you see the futures have caught a bid. So, again, markets were down about 15 points earlier, now positive by 2 points. So we'll see how we play out today. We'll see where we go, but we have lots of stocks in the news. So let's get started here. We're going to start off with Broadcom. AVGO is the ticker symbol there. Stock right now is trading at $238.49. Closed yesterday at $227.24. So this is a nice $10 pop for Broadcom. You can see yesterday it got up almost to the 244 level after hours. If it gets through there, I think we could probably see this thing go to 251, 252. But all in all, decent pop higher for Broadcom. That should help a lot of the semiconductors, and we'll see how this plays out today. But that certainly was a good move, and so far it's holding up. Let's take a look at American Outdoor Brands, AOBC. This is the old Smith & Wesson. Stock right now is trading at 14 bucks, closed at $12.21. So good little pop there. This might have a little bit more upside, but again, a real stall out point right around this 14 and a quarter level. So it's going to, not have all that much to go. We'll see if it gets back up to that level. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. I don't think there's a whole lot to do here. If you own a trail, the stop loss immediately. Let's take a look at COO, which is Cooper Tire. I believe it's Cooper. This is trading at 277.03. This closed yesterday at 277.03. So we're not getting any real pre-market activity here, but we'll keep it on the radar. Let's take a look at CMTL. And this is trading right now at 27 bucks, closed at 25.40. This is on the back of earnings, I believe. So nice little uptick. Has given back a little bit here. It did briefly get to $29 after hours yesterday. Not a lot of volume here. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see where this one plays out. Let's take a look at ULTA, which is Ulta Salon. This right now is trading at 276. Not a lot of pre-market activity there either. Closed at 292 yesterday, so this is a pretty good little haircut. You can see after hours had a pretty good fall. One level that I would get interested in the stock would probably be around the 250 area and more around 235. I don't know if we'll see that, but you never know. These days, if you miss numbers, you usually get punished. So again, keep those numbers on the those levels on the radar. Let's take a look at UNFI, which is United Foods. This is trading at $18, closed at $19.73. So this stock continues to remain in its downtrend. I really don't even see a level that I like for this one. So let's just pass on it. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Next up, we want to take a look at Big Lots, BIG, and that's falling big. Big Lots right now trading at $32.90, closed at $40.30. So this is a pretty good haircut. The only level that I'm seeing would probably be around the $30 area, but I'd have to do a little work on that. Keep it on the radar, though. We'll see if it gets down to that level. Should it do so, I think there could be a play down around the $30 area. So we'll look at this one when it gets there. Again, pretty ugly decline overall for Big Lots. That is down sizable today. And again, we'll see how it plays out when it gets down to around the $30 level. Next up, we want to take a look here at MTN, which is Vail Resorts. This is trading at $271.77. No pre-market activity, but they did report earnings, so this will move today. We'll keep it on the radar once the opening bell rings. Let's look at Yelp. They're being added to the S&P 400 mid-cap index. That stock is catching a pretty good bid, up 30 to 35.95, closed at 34.40. So Yelp has caught a little bit of a bid. Looks like CRON, which is Chronos, with a big pop. Looks like ULTA confirmed that they took a I believe, a 45% stake in the company. So Chronos with a nice move today. Again, we've been hearing about this day in and day out. So this news is not a big surprise. Be a little bit careful here. Stock is a little bit overbought up here at the $14 area. Let's take a look at Lululemon. This is a big sports apparel maker and retailer. Stock right now trading at 133.20, closed at 131.44. This had a pretty big drop yesterday at the close. Now has fully recovered. So Lululemon holding up very well. I don't think there's a whole lot to do here though at the moment, but we will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. Next up, want to take a look at gold. Gold is getting a bid today, trading up $5.10. Take a look at the GLD today. That's trading at 117.60. So gold has been quietly moving higher each and every day. We'll see how it plays out by the close. And what is getting a big move today is crude oil. Crude oil back on track today, up $2.39. Right now trading at $53.88 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track crude, you'll see that's trading at $11.40 at this stage of the game. So that is a very good move for crude oil. Crude oil soaring and roaring, up by almost 5% this morning. We did have President Trump coming out saying that his talks with Chinese President Xi are going very well. So we'll take it for what it's worth, and we'll see how that plays out. But nonetheless, market's holding up pretty decent this morning. Futures right now up about 2 points. Once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great week, a blockbuster week, really. And again, if you haven't taken that 7-day free trial, come check it out. You can trade right alongside of us. We're getting, really good trading action each and every day. And again, it's been a great 2018. So with that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we'll see you.